What's going on, mother truckers? I get this picture sent to me right here, and this truck driver today basically said he forgot to set his brakes, and that's how he ran into this Catskill. This is out in North Las Vegas at the Pilot. I've been there. It is flat as hell, and other truck drivers commented on this as well and said no way he forgot to set his brakes. Definitely some force behind it, possibly driving on automatic, not sure, and had it in drive. I don't know, but for sure I don't think he set his brakes either. Mother truckers, the ones that are investigators, what are your thoughts about this? If you're parked somewhere extremely flat, would that give enough force for you to just destroy that yellow pillar? I don't think so. I think at max, if he didn't set his brakes, he was probably going like 2 miles an hour. That would not do that. Definitely lied to the Pilot employee and probably lied to his boss as well. But yeah, mother truckers, good PSA. Don't forget to set your brakes, but also don't drive into a Catskill. Mother truckers, comment down below.